Whiteston Art and Design. Today we're going to do a fun bee-inspired illustration. I'll have a link in the description box so you can get your free printable. Make sure you have Pinterest because it's going to take you directly to my Pinterest board where I have printables. But the link will take you directly to this printout. So, depending on your printer's capabilities, you may be able to paint directly onto it as long as the ink is waterproof. If not, you could also customize the size to any size you want and have fun with that. And I'm going to go over the supplies right here. I have my pan watercolors. Now I suggest you use the watercolors of your choice, tube paints, whatever you want. I just happen to use these over and over again. It's a handy dandy travel size. I use that in my traveling bag. I worked up a color palette here, dusty rose, golden yellow, a little dusty green. That green is mixed with the brighter green and a little bit of red to give you that color. Bright green, well, maybe soft, not too bright. A little dusty silvery brown and a more golden yellow. Those are the colors I worked up. You can use the colors that you like. I also have a selection of brushes, mostly rounds, and I may not use all of these. I just like to have some on hand, so they're there for me when I need them. Spritz bottle to keep your paints moist. I spritz it right here. Paper toweling for dabbing. 2 water cups. Those are left over. I rinse them out from applesauce containers. They work great for watercolor. Couple paper towels for dabbing. And we're going to be using the wet on wet techniques for a lot of this. And you will have a lot of fun because it's very easy, convenient. I gave you that printable. Paint along with me. And let's get started. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. You could use it for your home decor, give as a gift, give to that favorite bee lover. My sentiment is, be true. To thine own self be true. I may add, be kind, be true. You could do some play on words. As you can see, it's B, B-E-E. This is a full size. It's an 11 by 14s, but my printer capability only goes to about an 8 by 10. Here's some printouts I did. Give you an idea. You could use them as transfer. Get yourself some transfer paper or do the back with some pencil. Color it on, press it down. I'll give you a link to a way of a quick transfer without transfer paper. I did that in a 5 by 7. So let's just have some fun with this. You can use your own sentiment, no sentiment. Customize this the way you like once you get your printout. If you have a really nice printer that can print on watercolor paper with waterproof ink, that would be really excellent. So let's get started. We'll have a lot of fun. I got a little jump start on this bee, as you can see. Let me see if I can give you a brief. Get the paper wet. I'm not going to do the bee, but you'll get the understanding because this, I'm going to do the wet on wet. Just get it nice and wet. I'm using this number 4. It is a silver black velvet. You don't have to use that brand. This is just a few sizes. Let's just get some yellow. I'm going to mix it off to the side over here. And then I'm just going to diffuse the color lightly here. Just kind of pounce it in. Let it do its job. That's what watercolor does. Softly flowing. Just get that in there. Smooth and nice. So that was wet. It just kind of softly diffused in here. As you can see, I did that also here. Maybe I get this a little bit wet. A little more of the golden. Okay, we're going to get finished with this pretty quickly. As you can see, it just kind of does the work for you. You get that coloring wet first. Lightly dampened. I'll probably do a little golden in here. Mix a little red. I'm mixing a little bit of reddish into my brighter yellow. As you can see, since it's wet, it's just flowing nicely. Just let it do its job. Wow, that looks really pretty. Tap, tap, tap. I'll just kind of tap it in. Okay, I'll probably be doing a time lapse with this. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below on what I'm doing. If you have any questions about the techniques, thank you so much, subscribers, for coming back. If you're new, hit the subscribe. Let me know what kind of paintings you're working on this summer. I'd love to hear from you. And let's have fun with this. Be true. Be kind, be true. Be inspired, inspirational illustration. Stay tuned for the next segment.